Hello, everybody. Today, such a tiring day for me. I had to run left and right, left and right, do quite a few things today. Hold on, let me set up the lighting a bit. Okay, hold on. Even lighting also, I can imagine said, gone, lighting's gone, guys. Okay, you guys are there. Enough to hear it. Okay, so thank you guys all for tuning in today. So today we went to basically speak about an interesting topic on which we went through yesterday. Okay, so the topic basically is related to why Bitcoin basically did not move as what most traders, especially myself, anticipated. Okay, there's a reason for this. Okay, see, I did some studies today to find out this stuff. Okay, nah, I take some water, guys. One moment. Today I really out of energy already, but I still want to speak to you guys. Because talking to you guys so fun. Really. My cat came in and then she wanted to go out. Okay, okay. Let's just get to it. Huh? So today our topic basically will be straightforward. So we will be going into some of the reasons why we are not potentially seeing a very strong push towards the upside. We will also discuss what yesterday I spoke about in my live about Bitcoin, where I mentioned strongly about this line whereby we should only be looking for sales if price happens to break it. Even though price went through this support level, I mentioned in my live, do not enter. I hope you guys got listen lah. So far I see most of the students got listen lah, so I'm happy. Okay, good job guys. If you guys enter sell here already, bye bye already lah. You see? This is the line that we should be waiting for. Okay, and another thing we'll be going to today is basically about Ethereum. That's the market that I actually traded today for a long position, and then it went to TP. Actually, quite slow in my opinion. I went to TP today. It took quite some time. I even went out, settled all of my stuff today. I think it was what 7 hours outside today. This was insane. Fun day lah, but wow, so tiring today. I hope you guys had a good one. Yeah, but then you see, apparently you went up higher already. Yeah. I'm not sure you guys can see it now. I also sent this inside of the Discord group before the move even started. So this was basically how it was before the move started. Yeah, basically I mentioned that Ethereum price is heading towards the upside based on H1 liquidity area. Don't worry, I know it already died now. Little bit beginning to it. Right. Why rush? Chill. Okay, so let's address the elephant in the room. Okay. Basically it's about Bitcoin now. Okay. Yesterday in my mindset, with my predictions, because Bitcoin was roughly around here. Okay, my predictions was this. Yeah. Really, honestly, I was thinking it will go at least 120,000. Okay. If maybe it's too high of a expectation, I don't know. I cannot say because we never know. But instead, it went down. Again, there's a reason for this. Actually, not only Bitcoin, even Ethereum also actually was falling. Bitcoin was falling. Quite a few cryptocurrencies was falling. So then I also mentioned this in my live yesterday. It relates to what I'm going to share. It relates to the announcement and the speech that President Trump, and now President Trump, if you guys didn't know, he was already, how to say, he took the oath yesterday, and now today onwards, he's already President of the United States. So congrats to him. So I did a live stream yesterday, and then I clearly mentioned in the live stream that the thing that I am actually waiting to hear is basically him mentioning something related to crypto, because he is a big time crypto fan. That's what many people know, many traders know this as well. That's why when that time he was also running for president, okay, when he got give a statement also, actually it's related to crypto, whereby he will support Bitcoin to make it something like legalized or whatever. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure in terms of that video because it's quite a while ago. It was during the time he was running for president now. And then Bitcoin started to rise like crazy. Yeah, all the way to 100K. It was insane. And then at the time, right, when he mentioned, I think it was roughly about 40,000 or 50,000 around that price. That was the time that I saw price started to go up all the way under 100,000 just because of what he said. Yeah, he said that all the US citizens must don't sell your Bitcoin, hold your Bitcoin. That's what he mentioned. So I was hoping so badly for him to say anything good about crypto. Unfortunately, he didn't say anything related to crypto in his speech yesterday. So I did some research also to find out, and even the research also mentioned that, however, following President Trump's basically the when he took the oath okay, to become president, okay, there was no specific mention of cryptocurrencies, which was why Bitcoin's price experienced a slight decline. This is the reason why we were seeing this decline. But but does that mean that we potentially are going to be looking at a downtrend move from Bitcoin? Because okay, let me go to the bigger time frame. Let me show you guys. Okay, should we go H4? Yeah, we just go H4. Okay, look at H4. Don't worry about this. This is what we spoke about yesterday. If you guys interested to find out, ooh, all of these lines, what does it mean? You guys can watch yesterday live. Okay, you clearly we got mentioned it there. Okay, so you see, very strong push to the upside. Let's go daily. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the push. Basically, we're moving all the way back up. Alright, that's a song. All the way up. I cannot. Wait, if I play the song, then I'll get copyright. Okay, so are we potentially going to look at now a new maybe downtrend, a long-term downtrend, since we are seeing this push towards the downside, and then also President Trump did not mention anything about crypto. Is this the case? No, this is not the case. Okay. Uh, I also, of course, now this is I'm not only giving my predictions. I'm also giving statements that have been mentioned in a few trading articles, lah. Okay, so maybe I can give one of them that they got mentioned. Despite this volatile move, okay, the overall sentiment remains positive with expectations of a favorable condition under the current administration. What basically that means, right, is that regardless of the slight push towards the downside, okay, is only this push is because he never mentioned anything about crypto. That's it. Okay, it doesn't mean that it's going to fall, it's going to reverse. No, there is still positive outlooks from many people pertaining to who is holding the power right now. Basically, President Trump. Okay, and then he got clearly mentioned of how much he is a supporter for these cryptocurrencies, and right now he's already in power already. So that means, are we potentially going to see Bitcoin rise even more? Yes, yes, yes. That is what you guys can look forward to. Okay, so right now, based on my predictions yesterday, right, I gave you guys some targets whereby if price eventually goes down and break this line, very important, this line is very important, and then price comes either here, this line, or ideally this. Now, I mean, if it breaks through means it becomes resistance now, but currently it's still a support line. Okay, then you guys can aim for this liquidity zone. This was the one of the scenarios that I gave. Okay, but I got mentioned if price didn't break this line, okay, wait and see how is price reacting upon this support zone, and now support lah. And then this is the first target that you guys can aim for, and then this is the ultimate. Basically, this is the ultimate target. But I didn't put this basically for an ultimate target. I put this basically is just to show the last form of liquidity that is resting above I cannot really say major resistance zone also lah, but it's a bigger time frame resistance zone lah. Okay. Again, if you guys wondering why I mentioned only this resistance zone, here all don't have got also, memang got also. It's just how to say. Yesterday's my example. No, just now you saw the lines that I draw here. Yeah. Hi, hello. Thank you for tuning in. Yeah. So those lines that I drew there, yeah, that lines are related to what I'm referring to lah. Oh yeah, guys, let me play some music for you guys. Someone actually asked me for help on how I'm doing this recording and stuff. Okay, I forgot to take a picture and send. I feel so bad now. Okay, let's play some music for you guys, and then after that we will speak more about Bitcoin. I will remove all of my drawings, and then we do a brand new drawing with a clear mindset, and then let's see our predictions on what we think Bitcoin will be. How to say? Uh, how Bitcoin will be behaving lah in this coming week lah, since today is only a Tuesday. Okay, let's tie in our bigger time frame buyers all the way to our smaller time frame buyers. Basically, let's do our predictions together, and then I will also break down my Ethereum trade that I did today. Basically, it's a very simple trade. Enter. I didn't look at the chart after that. I only checked on it. Think 2 times. The first time, sorry, 3 times. First time, it was going up, basically in the profit zone, and then the second time it came down, touched the initial beautiful entry point, and then third time basically TP. Okay, so we will go through that. What did I saw? Why did I enter? So you guys could gain some experience and then gain my insight. Okay, basically trading is all about experience and what you see in the market. What I see in the market not necessarily is something that you can see right now. Okay, maybe you see something else that I would love to also learn and understand. So that's why it would be nice if you guys join the Discord group. Basically, it's a free Discord group that you guys can see this blue color like thing. Free access to our Discord group. It is free. That's why I mentioned that it's free. It is free. Okay. I want to create a community of amazing, wonderful, powerful crypto traders, especially now. Trump is already, President Trump, cannot call him that, must call President Trump, is already basically have power. He's in office now. He's working today. So, he is also a very strong supporter of crypto. So you have to lock that mindset inside, okay? And then just only he became president. So really jump on the train as soon as possible, catch that trend. We are doing this all for free, guys. So just why not just join into our Discord group. I give daily mappings, I give all of my ideas, potential trade entries like the Ethereum trade that I give today. I will show you guys the screenshot, don't worry. All of this is not fake one. All of this I will show you. Yeah, then later I will break it down also for you guys. Okay, you guys will be first hand being notified and also being aware of the potential trades that I'm looking at, potential trades that I'm going to enter. Everything I just give it out for free. Okay, because my main purpose is to create ideal, powerful, strong traders in the market. Okay, which I know eventually all of you will be, or to be honest, already are. Okay, so guys, let me just settle this. My friend asked me this, I feel so bad. Okay, let me just put some music for you guys. Don't sleep, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. One moment, I'm just helping out a friend settle a little bit of stuff. I forgot because I was out the whole entire day today. So then I told her that once I get home, I will check for you and I will settle. Now only when I doing live only I remember. Yeah, so one moment, guys, one moment. We will continue into going into more in depth of my predictions and what we think about Bitcoin and so far and so forth. And then we will also go through my trade for Ethereum that I took today. Okay, one moment. Enjoy the music first. Okay, guys. Okay, okay. I settled already. I settled already. I felt bad lah. They friend asked me, and then now only I managed to settle. Okay, okay. So again, just to recap really of what we went through. Okay, basically yesterday, what was our predictions? Basically, we have two buyers, right? We always must stand in the middle and have two buyers. So this is my advice to every trader out there. Okay, never just stand on one bias. If buy means you just look at buy, never do this. Okay, if sell means just look at sell, never do this also. I used to do this. Whenever there's a mistake, I take it very hard on myself also. And then whenever the trade goes in the opposite direction, right? Because I only have one bias. Remember that, okay? So it goes in the opposite direction. Let's say I was predicting it will go long, basically an uptrend, okay, bullish trend. Basically, I was looking for a buy, but then the trade went opposite instead. It went to a short position, basically a bearish move down. So if you have these buyers, right, basically you know where price will move to if it wants to move towards the upside. Either can be a continuation or a reversal depending on what the market structure is showing you at that point of time. Okay, you will know what to do. At the same time, if the market is going to move towards the downside, you will also know what to do. As traders, you must always be prepared. You must always break out scenarios, break out ideas, break out what potentially could be happening to the market. And if this scenario were to play out, what can I do as a trader to benefit from it? So this is why I gave you guys two targets yesterday, and then I strongly advise to not enter for sell even though the trade went below this zone, even though there was a very strong push this side. Wait for this line. Okay, this is your basically your. I don't know if I should actually say safety net or not. I'm not so sure. Okay, yeah, I'm not sure if that concept is being used in trading line. Okay, your safety line, how's that? Since this is a line, okay, basically this is your safety line. Since price didn't break to that, do not enter for sale. Just wait and see how price is reacting to this point. So another thing was what we mentioned that if price has to go up from here, okay, we have to wait and see if price uses this floor back for what? A push towards the upside, basically a continuation. So this was my initial TP lah yesterday that which I predicted price to go to. So far price is looking that it will potentially maybe take it out first lah. Once it take it out like this, and then there's a chance that price will come and use this floor back as a platform to potentially have a continuation towards the upside, basically a bullish one up. And then if that happens, right, this one you guys can basically import this lah. Okay. I really strongly believe that Bitcoin will go above this comp. To be honest, guys, my bias is still stuck that Bitcoin will go higher than what it is right now. Okay, it made a new high that day, 109. I really feel it will go more than that. Okay, so just keep an eye out, guys. Okay. Okay, so let's clear out. Let's clear out everything here. Clear out all of this. Let's start fresh, guys. Always start with a clean chart. Okay, it clears your mind. For me, it does not. Okay, so what are we looking at? Okay, so this is a daily chart, guys, by the way. Okay, so daily chart means what? Just for those that maybe have just newly joined the live, welcome. So basically, daily chart means every single candle that you see here is equals to 1 day worth of data. So basically, each candle only closes after 1 day, 24 hours. Okay, if you're confused what does close and open mean, I also did a live video explaining in depth about candlesticks, their bodies, and what stories do they tell. You know, because in each candles, there is always a fight between buyers and sellers. Basically, they are fighting with each other. And you can actually read the story based on how a candle pattern is showing to you on the screen. So I did an in-depth video about that in my life. You guys can just find it, and then you guys can be able to learn and understand then what the candle is actually telling you, so far and so forth. Okay, so basically here we can see what are we looking at, guys. Okay, basically I just draw briefly. Okay, I won't go every single line. Okay, because I just want you guys to see. Okay, basically what are we seeing? Okay, basically this is a very strong push towards the upside. Okay, overall we are going in a very beautiful uptrend, but then what happens here? We are suddenly having a push towards the downside. But after this push, okay, start to realize where are we moving towards? Basically, we're moving towards the upside, correct? So what can this potential move down be? Potentially, this can be market just coming down to take out liquidity. And to be honest, that is the case. Literally, that is the case. Market got this liquidity, market got this one, which was resting on the 5th or 6th of December, 5th of December. We actually did a live session about this also, where we predicted from this point here, okay, we predicted roughly here, and our TP was roughly here. Hey, was this our TP? I think this was our TP, or I think this was our TP, I so forgot. But remember it was 1 to 2 lah, 1 to 2, okay. Basically we predicted this big move all the way towards the upside. Why I say big move is because again guys, this is daily chart. So each candle represents 1 day worth of data. See if you go smaller time frame like M5, you can see the move how significantly bigger it actually is. Okay, and this is what we got. We got this live one. Okay, we even shared this in the Discord group to you guys, informing that you guys should be focusing on buys, and then price is, there's a very high chance that price will be taking out the liquidity resting above, and it did. Okay, all of this, how did we get it from? Liquidity. Everything we tie to what? Liquidity also. So this is what we understand. Bitcoin is in an uptrend, but then there was a push towards the downside. That downside push basically swept liquidity. And then what happens when price swept liquidity? Basically, price has enough of fuel. Fuel basically means what? Power. To move in either a continuation or reversal. Okay, I won't say of fuel means it will move into consolidation, or some people call it ranging. Okay, easier term is what? Sideways. Okay, I won't say about fuel price will do this. I've never seen that. Usually, if got fuel, price will move in one direction, either up or down. It can be a reversal, it can be a continuation. Okay, but in this case, based on the pattern, this was a continuation. Why I say continuation? Because what trend are we overall in, guys? Very important question. You must always ask yourself this. Okay, we did a video also about market structure, basically fundamental, and not fundamental, foundation. Foundation to trading is so important. It doesn't matter what level of trader you are, how advanced you are, how newly you just started into trading. Never forget your market structure foundation. Okay, market structure basically is so important because we as traders, I've mentioned this before also, always must be trading with the trend. Okay, in the ocean, you swim with the waves. You never swim against it. The reason why is we cannot say cannot, can. Okay, you can swim against the current. Of course can, but you tired lah. You more tired. You'll be 10 times more tired to reach your destination. If compare to swimming with the current, basically you almost use, not even, I won't say half of the energy, even lesser than half of the energy, but you will reach your destination. So that's basically how my trading strategy is like. I go with the current, but I need to see certain things happening first for me to understand where the current is leading to. Okay, so basically in our bigger time frame buyers, we see this nice beautiful sweep, and then we are seeing a move towards the upside. Okay, so I also like to see price came into mitigation. Basically here price came to mitigate, and then we move again towards the upside. Okay, from here price came to mitigation again. So every time when price is starting to respect its mitigation zone, if you guys are confused what is mitigation, if you guys are confused how I can find this zone is mitigation, not here, like not here, not here, not here, not here, don't worry, don't worry. We take it not that how to say aggressively lah to explain everything in here. Okay, the reason why is because right, these certain things that I mentioned are key elements, especially into trading. When you want to apply them to your strategy, it can be a very strong foundation to really protecting your capital in terms of preventing incorrect entries. Okay, because if you understand mitigation, if you understand where they lie, and then what should price do, because certain things, right, you actually want price to disrespect certain things lah. Like for example, I give you an example, simple example. I did remove already. Sometimes the things I remove I regret one. Okay, wait. Let me draw it, guys. Let me just draw it. Okay, let's just say, okay, do not worry about this one. Let me just set it. Okay, okay. This is the basically the last resistance zone. I won't say last, there is a few here, okay, but based on this time frame, I like to treat this as my last resistance zone. Okay, that's personal opinion. Okay, everybody can have a different opinion, everybody can have a different way of analyzing this, different opinions on where you should be. Okay, remember I mentioned this before. So trading is what concept is trading, what concept can we relate trading to? Basically a Rubik's cube. Okay, to solve a Rubik's cube you don't have one combination. If trading only have one combination, everybody in school also can learn. Okay, because it's A to Z. It's 1, 2, 3. It's never 1, 3, 2 or 3, 2, 1. I don't know if that concept is a bit too deep or not, I'm not so sure. Okay? But what I'm saying is if trading is like step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7, step 8, step 9, step 10. Wow, that one's so quite difficult to say. Yeah, but if it's in a sequence, right, where you always follow the sequence and then you'll be alright, everybody will earn money in trading. Okay? So trading is a Rubik's Cube. Basically, there's so many combinations that can solve a Rubik's Cube. Okay, I can have one, you can have one. If you give another 100 people, each of them can have a different one, but the result always maintains the same. Okay, so personally for me, this would be my last form of resistance based on my trading style. Okay, so what I want to see, because we were speaking about what? Respect, disrespect. Of course now, respect sounds nice, right? Of course not, because we want people to respect us. We want to respect people. You know, respect is like a good thing. Disrespect sounds bad. We don't want people to disrespect us. To be honest, we don't want to disrespect people also. Correct? I hope you say correct lah. Because I cannot see you guys, so I really hope you guys say correct lah. I'm praying. Okay, but what is my predictions from the beginning? Is that I predict that Bitcoin will climb higher, especially because who is in control right now. We didn't see a strong push up yesterday during his the time that he took an oath and the time that he actually gave a speech. Is because I also mentioned in my live he didn't mention anything related to crypto. If he did, I don't know where Bitcoin today already. I really don't know where it will fly already. I'm pretty sure he has his reasons now. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, that's the cause of it. But what I want to see disrespect, because my prediction is still towards the upside. I want to see this place gets disrespected. You can see now the concept. Certain things I want to see respect, like this mitigation area. So I want to see respect. So is price closing below these zones? No, it's not. Price is respecting these zones. Again, how to draw these things, all don't worry. Okay, we will get through it. But this is what I call respect. This is what I want to see. Because why? My bias is towards the upside. Of course, I have a bias towards the downside. Again, I remove it already. So, I think it was here. Yeah, I think roughly it was here. I think it was here. Yeah. Yeah. This is the one. This was the TP, I think. I need to watch again and I'll copy again. But I had a bias like towards the downside also. So I know if certain things were to happen, I know what to do. I know that I can still enter for a sell. But my percentage is of course more towards the buy side. So what I want to see mitigation areas being respected. Is it? Yes. So far, yes. This one, yes. This one, yes. This one, yes. So many is respecting. And what I want to see, they get disrespected. I want to see this resistance don't get disrespected badly. Okay. What I mean by that, is now is the price is going up, right? Let's say price goes up, price comes down. Okay, I don't want to see this. Yeah, I don't want to see this. This is not what I want to see. I mean, even if I see this, I know what to do now because, like I said, I have a TP. Okay, I know what to do if price were to reverse. Okay, I know where price eventually will go to. So we still have some sort of reward there. But my predictions mostly is towards the buy side, basically bullish push up. So what I want to see, this is what I want to see. Price comes here. Okay, let's say like price comes back. Okay, and the price breaks through. Price don't care about this. Once it breaks through, it use this platform as basically a platform. Okay, platform to fly even higher. Because once price comes here, right, guys, there's very little resistance left. Only this one, the latest high that it made. But after that, price potentially, but depending on what the news says, like, or you can get fly high. Of course, I clearly stated before, price never moves in this way unless got this big catalyst, big news that happen. Then you will see a move like this, but it never continues like this. Like keep on flying. Ooh, this never happens. Okay? Unless something really terrible. Okay, that is so impactful. Then potentially lah. Okay? But price always moves how? Impulse, corrective, impulse, corrective, impulse, corrective, impulse, corrective. Okay, never forget this. This will never change. Okay, if it change, then I will teach you all the new one. Okay, I will learn it, I will understand it, then I will teach you all. But so far for years, this has been the movement. Okay, impulse pullback, impulse pullback. So far never change. So don't need to worry. Okay. So this is what I'm looking for to get disrespected. So what is my bigger time frame bias telling me? Basically, I truly feel price is moving towards the upside because why I'm seeing respect in mitigation, respect in mitigation. I'm also seeing what price taking out liquidity zones wherever is that I can see based on the H4. Let me see in H1. Let me see in H1. H1 is price taking out liquidity. Liquidity. Sorry guys, I tired now. Sarah is speaking like this. Forgive me. Okay, price to cut this liquidity very beautifully. Basically in 15 minutes, okay? If you guys wondering why is this a liquidity, why is not here, why is not here, why is not here, why is not here, it's not to say it's not there. Okay? It's just that based on my trading strategy, there are certain liquidity areas that I like to pay attention to. Okay? The reason why I can find them is because I've been doing this for quite some time already. So you guys also will eventually be able to do the same. To be honest, even better than me. So who knows? You might even have an even better strategy to find liquidity. If you do, please teach me lah. We all learn together lah. That's why the group you guys join is a traders group. Okay, we learn together. And so basically, I'm also saying, okay, price came and take out this M15 liquidity, and what is happening? What is happening, guys? Can you see? Can you see? Before I say it lah. Basically, mitigation. Price is coming into mitigation. Is price respecting this mitigation zone? Yes. Why? Because the body never closed below. Also, we are still moving in a bullish trend. Of course, like in this one, you will see like, oh, okay, we're going into a downtrend. Yes. You are not wrong. Okay, you are not wrong. But Once you really learn how to read and understand, right, patterns, not patterns, I wouldn't say patterns, I would say structure. Okay, if you guys are thinking, how you seeing this, all this candle thing, or how you're seeing, don't worry, I was there. I was there. What you guys thinking, what you guys going through, what you guys feeling, like this maybe is an alien language. How am I seeing all of this stuff? I was there. I really was there. Okay? You guys will get the hang of it. If you want me to put it in a very simple, like, how to say, I cannot say scenario. Actually, yeah, actually, it's scenario also. Simple scenario. Okay? Um, wow, I say simple when I trying to think so hard. What can I tell? What can I say? What can I do? I need to give something that most people, I believe, can do lah. Okay lah, driving a bike, bicycle, okay. I believe most of you can. If you cannot, don't worry. Okay, you're still perfect. Okay, don't worry. But this scenario, we just keep bicycle. Okay, let's say the first time you're driving a bicycle, most people start with what? They call it tricycle, right? Hey, is it called tricycle? Wait. No, tricycle I think is. Wait, I need to survey this. Not that malu already. Tricycle. Tricycle. Is it? Oh, yeah, correct. Okay, for those that don't know what is tricycle, like basically it's this. It's okay, but so many stuff now. Basically, it's like this. Oh, yo, so white. The screen. So hard to see. Okay, basically it's a bicycle with three tires lah. Okay, two at the back, one at the front. So very stable. Usually everybody want to learn to drive a bicycle. This is their starting point lah, usually. Okay, during my time, I don't know lah about tricycle, don't know, I'm not sure lah. But we add two, how to say, two iron tires ah. Yeah, just an add-on into the current bicycle. Basically, we made it into a tricycle. Okay, so after that, once you keep on like training to drive, eventually your balance will get better. Correct or not? And then eventually you no longer need that extra support or the extra tires. You can focus on just driving on too. But does that mean you won't fall? No way. No way. How confident or how pro so confirm will fall one. The important thing is you now no longer need to rely on anything else to hold you balanced anymore. You can rely on yourself to be balanced. You can rely on yourself to drive the bicycle. Why? It's because you kept training and training and training and training. But does that mean you won't fall? No, no such thing. Of course you will fall. I'm not cursing, touch wood, I'm not cursing you guys, Okay, but eventually we sometimes will fall. Same thing in trading. If you think right now you cannot see the things that I'm seeing, just stick with me. Just join the group. Everything that I share will mold you into the person that you eventually want to be. I hope I can able to do that. Okay? I really hope. That's why I'm trying my best to do that. Yeah, but that's why we created this free community. We are basically there to train you to get on the bike and balance on your own. Okay, we are not in the group like to, oh, okay, right now buy, oh, right now sell, give you signal. No, that's not it. Giving you signals is not something that will make you traders. Being your own signal provider is what will make you an actual trader. You should be able to look at market. You should be able to understand what is going on. You should be able to give out your own predictions. Remember, Rubik's Cube. You need to get your own combination, and we can help you find that. That's what our goal is. So again, if you guys are confused, if you guys are thinking like, I cannot see what you're seeing, don't worry. Everybody starts there, even myself. Join the group. Every day we will share these sort of things. The more you get familiar, the more you expose yourself to certain things like this, the better and better and better you become. Eventually you'll be able to ride your own bicycle on your own. Okay? And then I will be joining your life, learning what you can provide to many other people out there. Okay? So basically guys, coming back to this, this is what? This is a break. You don't know why, do not worry. We will get through it. Okay, once a break happens, I'm looking for price to respect mitigation, which it is. So, what are we seeing after that? We see a strong push towards the upside. So what is this telling me? Okay, my daily bias. What is my daily bias, guys? Okay, we saw price swap liquidity. This is the one that we actually gained a lot from, okay, because our bias was towards the buy side, okay. And then what is happening right now, based on daily, is still moving towards the upside, okay. In our H4, what are we looking at? Okay, H4, we are looking at price coming into mitigation and respecting, price going back into mitigation and respecting at the same time. Okay, when price come back into mitigation and respecting, what is causing price to stop in this area? Okay, two things are. One is we understand there is a 15-minute liquidity that has been taken in the most recent price. What I mean by most recent price, okay, basically, should I use a box? Maybe I should use a box. Okay, basically here, this is what? The 21st, okay? So basically 21st, today is 21st, right? If you guys didn't know, today is 21st. Welcome to the 21st of January. Some of you guys saying, wow, so fast, the year just started to feel like that. Yeah, I feel the same also. Okay, so you see? That's why I don't waste time, guys. Grab the opportunity. Since it's free, grab the opportunity. Opportunity. Join the Discord group. Learn together and become traders by the end of this year. If can be not before the end of this year, this year we become traders already, okay? That's a goal. So this candle is basically today's candle. This is what I mean by the latest price action. Okay? And what did I see? I see price took out 15-minute liquidity, and where is it reacting to? Reacting towards the upside. So when price comes up, price close, and then price goes into a bearish candle down. But why is it moving down? Because it's normal. This is how structure moves. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so this is an up candle. Basically, you should see a down candle. This is healthy price action. What is unhealthy price action? Basically, this. You see all this green candle. It looks nice now if you want to go for buy, but to the market, this is not healthy. So eventually, market will always come back to close into mitigation. But we have to see how price reacts to it also lah. So you see, price take out liquidity comes into mitigation, respecting mitigation, and then we're seeing a push towards the upside. So this is latest basically today on a bigger time frame. Daily is showing us an uptrend. 4 hour is showing us an uptrend. Okay, so let's see what else we can find. New York session is not just started yet. Okay, so 1 hour. What are we seeing in 1 hour? Let's find out. Okay, so this one is basically the mitigation that we drew. Yes, drew. Okay, so basically 1 hour is also looking towards the upside lah. Okay, because if I want to draw, I draw too many lines. I don't want to scare you all, but basically this is also liquidity zone. That price is what? My favorite word. Respecting. Price is respecting this zone. And price respects this zone. And then we also understand price came back into mitigation. Price is moving towards the upside. You can see all of these nice, beautiful candles. Okay? So far, daily time frame, our bias bullish. 4 hour time frame, our bias bullish. 1 hour time frame, our bias bullish. 15-minute, we don't need to say that. We already say already is bullish. We also can see a break, and then we see price came into mitigation. This would have been a beautiful entry after price close. I always say enter only after price close. SL, if you set here, you're very daring lah. Basically, you're very aggressive lah. For me, no, I will set at this here. Okay, nearby this candles lah low. Okay, this one is a bit too, how to say, too big a reader for my that lah. Okay, to set, and then this will be my TP. Okay, this is my TP. Based on my strategy, this will be my TP. Basically 1 to 3 lah, 1.1 to 3.7, but it's okay as starters, right? Because I understand most of you that join the community also are very new to trading, so you don't need to really worry about these point numbers all. For now, you just focus the first one, 3. So 1 to 3. Basically 1 to 3 means what? If I risk $1, I am getting back minimum also $3 back. That is my SOP. Okay, I'm just saying the SOP lah based on this. Okay, but my one on average is 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. Basically, if I risk $1, I want to get back minimum $2. Or if I risk $1, minimum I want to get back $3. This is just an example, so easier for you guys to understand. Okay, So this basically will be my take profit zone. This will be my entry model, because why? Bigger time frame buyers, everything is telling me buy. Okay, smaller time frame buyers, I'm also seeing a break, and then price came into mitigation and respecting that zone. So usually when price comes into this section, this one I don't know if 1 to 2 already. Yeah, 1 to 2 already, this one. So what I will do personally, I will take partial profits out, and I will set my SL just above break even. Okay, so then I will just leave the trade around. I don't really care if the trade come and hit my SL also, it's okay, because I won't be in losing anything. I'll basically be gaining only because my SL I always put in profits, and then I also close partial profits already in. So regardless, whatever also, this trade is a winning trade. Never have in your mindset, okay, in trading especially, yeah, but if I close earlier this now, I earn more already. Never have this mindset. This will kill you. Okay? Trading, right? You know who move the market, right? We don't move the market, right? Market makers move the market. They are the person holding the power of moving markets in such a way. We are all considered retail traders. Our behavior, basically human behavior, okay, humans' greed of what we really want in the market. Basically, we want to make 1 billion today in trading. Okay, market makers know this so well. They've been doing it for so many years. That's why I always mention in my videos is what? Never chase price. Price want you to chase, but never do it. Okay, you see like this one. You think in this case no one got enter price? God, sure got people enter. Sure got people see this and then they enter. Okay, now I want to buy here. Okay, I sell here, and then my TP. Okay, roughly let's say same also lah. Okay lah, at least I can get 1 to 2. If you guys think don't have people enter here, got also. But you know how risky the trade is. It's crazy, crazy risky. I mean, if the trade already out of your setup, why risk entering? Again, don't worry, if you guys eventually and accidentally do this because of your emotions and so on, everything of that is part of trading, is part of the journey. Okay, for you, if you think I don't, I still have also, but I'm just now a lot more stronger to not enter. Sometimes I also got gone 1 whole week without entering a single trade. My hand always want to go and press a button. So how I train this, right, is last time I log in my phone, okay. Now I do that, but last time I used to trade off my phone and also trade off my computer at home when I come back. Yeah, I want to just keep trading all the time. Trust me, I'm not saying trading all the time is bad. There's no such thing. Okay, if you are able to find a strategy, or maybe you made your own strategy, remember Rubik's Cube, so many combinations. You can make a combination that other people don't understand or doesn't make sense, don't care. Okay, it doesn't matter if they don't understand your strategy. As long as you understand your own combination and you can solve that Rubik's Cube, go for it. Okay, that's my advice to you. Trust yourself, trust your own trading strategy. You don't have to be relying on anybody's strategy but yourself, because you know you better than anybody else know you. Understand? So coming back to the story, I used to log in into my, of course, I log into my laptop, and then also my phone, of course, right? And then I used to trade here, and then I trade my laptop, trade my phone, trade my laptop. This one created, how to say, because that time I was not very good with my mindset in trading. My only goal was to make money. Of course, everybody enter trading also want to make money, right? Which is good lah. That should be your main goal also. Okay, but we cannot let greed take over that lah. When greed take over, everything gone. So uh, I just cannot take it if one day I cannot see any trading setup. This is true story, personally lah. This is true story. I cannot take it. I need to press one button per day, either buy or sell. So last time, the old me, like this kind of thing I see going up, right? I will enter. That's why I say, if you guys think people will enter around this area, trust me, God, I'm one of them. I used to be one of them. So I will enter because it's going up, and then I know, okay, roughly, this is the safe DP zone that I really know price will go to. Even now, also, I really believe price will go here. Lah. You guys can even mark it out. You guys are here live, right? 106,900.7. You guys can mark it out. You will see price go there. But then I will enter lah. I will just enter lah because I know I have a target here. Okay lah, let's enter. No problem. No need to think anything anymore. If I never enter, I feel sick. I feel sad. I feel I'm not trading. I feel like I am downgrading myself. I feel like I'm not doing better. Yeah, this kind of thing all. So that one actually caused me to blow up multiple accounts. That caused me to all the profits that I gain in like 2-3 days consistently, right? Everyday profit. One day I lose it all because that one day, okay, I still remember properly. It was a Thursday, not news trade. Okay, this is a normal trade. Uh, there was no setup based on my strategy. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then my setup was there. So I enter. I was earning consistently. Not little bit trades, guys. I think about 15 or 17 trades I took in just 3 days. Crazy, right? I like to trade so much. I like to keep seeing the charts. All blue, by the way. On Thursday, one trade took all of those 15 or 17 trades out. One trade. Because why? On Thursday, there was no setup. My setup didn't come up. I'm not seeing what I'm supposed to see. But because I'm so addicted and I feel like I must enter a trade, and always I'm not doing anything to make my life better, I made it worse that day. Everything was gone. So the thing that I did was I logged out of my personal trading account from my phone and I only left it in my computer. So every time when I go out or at the time when I'm working, right, when I was working in office time, I cannot use my phone. I mean I cannot trade because I cannot remember my password. The password is like so susah one. They allow me to change but I don't want because I scared I remember. So because I know myself, like I said, only you know yourself best. Okay, so I know myself best. I know my how to say my how can I say this behavior, but my negative behavior that is causing me not to grow in trading, but actually to fall more and more. So I took action, drastic action, whereby I removed my account from my phone. So therefore, I cannot do anything throughout the day. It doesn't matter if I see 10 setups and all of them went properly or so. It doesn't matter. I cannot enter. But when I go home, then only I can enter. Now I have login already lah because this I've been training about I think 1 month, 2 months. I train myself lah. So that one actually made me sit back and chill a lot more. It doesn't matter anymore for me if I miss a trading opportunity like this one. You see, this one I miss. I was out the whole day, yes, but this one at 2 o'clock. Yeah, I was in a temple, I believe. Yeah, I was in a temple praying at the time. Yeah, I would miss this trade, but do I feel bad about it? No, I don't feel anything about it. If I miss it after this, so I won't feel bad about it. Even if I don't trade today, so I don't feel bad about it. Because you must understand one thing. In trading, there will never be a day where there is no opportunity for you to gain. If you miss this opportunity, there is 100 more on its way. And guys, we are only just only in January. Okay? Imagine that you're only in January. Why you want to worry if you miss one trade? You have so many trades throughout the year to take. If you want to count how many trades you can take, remember my story previously, 3 days, 15 or 17 trades. 3 days. You got a whole year. So why you want to worry if one week you never trade? Don't have to worry. There's this very popular trader. I forgot his name already. Sure, you guys thinking, right? Wow, you say he's popular, but then you forgot his name. Yeah, I have the same doubt as well. I forgot already now. But he said, what yeah, the trader that is the most is not strict. Never mind. Later, if I remember throughout this session that we're having right now, I will explain to you guys. But I 100% agree with what he said because it is true, something that I experienced personally. And when I go through the time where I am able to not trade at all for a single week, almost 2 weeks as I've gone, I realize how much my trading shifted. Again, this is not about you cannot trade every single day. It's not about you cannot trade multiple times in a day, but it's something bigger than that. Okay, it's about knowing yourself. When you do certain things, What is it causing you to become? Okay? Trading is a mind game, guys. Remember that. It's not only a money game, it's a mind game. It's not a money game. Cannot say that. It is not money game. You're not scamming anyone. Okay? You're earning from the market. Basically, you're printing money. It's a lottery game. You can print money out of the sky, out of the screen. Lah. Basically, just two buttons, you print money. Wait, guys. Something so hot already. You guys listen to this music. Let me go and get some water. Okay? Then we'll continue into our Bitcoin analysis. Okay? Okay, guys. I won't lie lah. I also took a cookie break also. I never eat dinner yet lah. After this, I have to go and cook already. Okay. So now let's continue our prediction now. Okay, so basically, in what? In a 15 minutes or so, we're looking towards the upside. Okay, so now, what do I do now? Okay, so let me remove this. This is me, guys. This is still a very nice target. So let me just write it down. Okay, this will be my target zone. Again, don't worry if you guys wondering why. Don't worry. All of this you guys will eventually know and find out and learn. So just join the community. All of these teachings, all of the things that I'm doing here, all also I have sessions and all on how to actually find out these things all that I'm looking at. Okay. So right now, what session are we currently in? Okay, so basically we are going to go into US regular. Okay, the reason why we are seeing a push towards the upside, okay, strongly relies for me lah personally on one thing. Okay, I won't go in depth into what is it or why. Okay, I just want to share with you guys that it's called my little red box. Ayah, it's not little red. This one. Okay. Whenever I see this, okay, whenever I see this, I always wait for Asia session to finish, usually not. But Ethereum today I entered during Asia session because also there are certain things that I see, certain things respect, certain things disrespect. So that one was part of my analysis, part of my personal trading strategy. So that's why I entered the trade, and then I also share this possible entry prior to the price actually reacting in such a way lah. Okay, for those that enter again, congratulations. Okay, I'm so happy for you guys. So okay, whenever I'm able to locate my little red box, I always trade away from it, especially from Asia and London. New York, I do not usually believe you will follow the trend. Usually New York, quite stubborn. I also shared this in my previous live before. So if you ask me my predictions, just based on hindsight, I believe price will be dropping down, at least taking out London low or potentially coming out to take out Asia low. Okay, but I cannot say for sure. But this is just if you ask me based on one prediction alone, which I never trust. Okay, I always have to have quite a few analysis, quite a few predictions prior to actually entering the trade. Okay, so once I locate where my little red box is, okay, my potential entry, okay, this is one because of course our price came into mitigation, so this will be a very beautiful entry. I think this was the entry just now we spoke about. So yeah, this was the exact entry we spoke about. Okay, but this entry will be in where? This entry will basically be in Asia session. So where is our TP? This will be our TP zone, basically almost 1 to 5R. Okay, so if you ask me in London, where would be my entry? Check and explain to you why. Okay, basically in London, this will be my entry zone. Okay, basically here. Where will be my TP? Same. But because New York session already is going to come, for these trades all, I will take almost all of the all of the profits out because like I mentioned, New York session usually quite stubborn. It doesn't follow my red box one. Usually it goes in the opposite direction from based on my experience lah. Okay, so I will usually trade almost all of the profits that is running out, and then I will also put my SL above my break even point, and then just leave and see what will happen. Because after it doesn't matter anymore. Okay. The reason why this entry also is here is because I am seeing certain things being respected. I am seeing certain things that are being disrespected. There is also a zone of here where price came into mitigation and is respecting. Okay, so this also can be a very beautiful potential entry here. And then also I'm seeing certain things taking out liquidity around this area, and I'm seeing what? A potential move towards the upside based on a bullish run lah. Basically bullish people, not bullish people, bulls, they call it bulls. Bulls are coming into the market. So this will be my entry lah. But the more beautiful one will be this one because mitigation. I didn't capture this just now. Yeah, so actually this would be a very proper entry. Especially this is a very early entry to the London session. And then also I can use my beautiful red box as a, how to say, I mean guide also can, as a guide to which direction potentially the market is going to go to. Also as something supporting my analysis and supporting my mindset, saying that price will still move towards the upside because I always trade away from the little red box. Okay, so now what are we waiting for? So everything is still bullish by the way guys. Daily bullish, 4 hour bullish, 1 hour bullish, 15-minute bullish. Okay, but since we are trading intraday session, okay, what does that mean? Basically you are trading what is happening today, what is happening right now. So based on what is happening right now, there is only one thing that can tell you that and explain to you that. And what is that? I think you all know lah. Basically price action. What is price action? In hindsight, price action basically means the language of price. So if we look at this right now, guys, okay, we taken out liquidity, okay. Once taken out liquidity, we made a new high. Where's the new high we made? Here, we made a new high. Once we made this new high, we must see what? We must see price respecting this mitigation zone. So are we looking at price respecting? So far, yes. But on top of respect, you must look and see, since we are looking forward, right? This take profit zone, okay? You want to see it is respecting, at the same time you want to see bulls coming into the market. Right now you see price is reacting, okay? Price going up. Right now this one created an equal low. What is equal low? Equal low basically lies liquidity. And what is price attracted to? Liquidity. So right now, we want to see bulls coming into the market. When we see bulls coming into the market, then we can also go in for a potential buy opportunity. And where is our TP? This is not my buy entry, but I'll just show you guys if we go for buy opportunity, this will be my SL below these lows, and this will be my TP. My TP stays the same. Why does it stay the same? It is because our target, basically our main TP target, has not been hit yet. If you ask me, no, does that mean the price confirm will go here? There is nothing confirm in trading, guys. Trading is a game of prediction. Okay, gaming is a game. I will say it again, of prediction. How good and how well can you predict certain things? How good and well can you look at the market and understand what price is breaking to you? What is price telling you? That is how good and well your results will actually be. And how to become good at this? Remember the bicycle theory that I said? Yeah, basically that. The more you put yourself into this environment, the better and better and better you will become. So guys, how to put yourself in the environment? Very easy answer. Basically, join the Discord group. So easy to join, guys. Just tap the link. That is all. There is no hidden TNC. Okay, you will still get all predictions. You will not. I cannot say all. I don't trade all the time. I don't want you guys to think like I trade 5, 6, 7 times a day. I also have life lah. We all have life. We all have things to do. Okay, like today you see I was 9 hours doing stuff. So tired, but I still want to talk to you guys because it's so fun to talk to you guys. Even though you guys not saying anything back, but it's so fun to talk to you guys. Yeah. So, but any analysis or any potential entries or whatever the market is telling us today, all these daily mappings, everything will be shut down, guys. So, please join the Discord group if you haven't already. Put yourself in that environment so that you can get better and better and better, looking at the market, really understanding what is going on. Okay, that is what makes a trader the best he can be. Okay, so right now, what will I be doing? Basically, nothing. Because why? I am not really seeing any form of bulls coming into the market, even though price is so far respecting this mitigation area. So, what we do as traders, if there's no, how to say, uh, no opportunity that arises for us, nothing. Be a fisherman, patient. Okay? You put in your fishing rod, wait for the fish to bite. Right now, we don't have anything yet. Our bait is already there. What is your bait? Basically, is your trading strategy. So for Bitcoin, guys, if you ask me my bias, it is still towards the upside. Okay, my bigger time bias, everything is still towards the upside. I really feel Bitcoin will be breaking this resistance zone, and it will be going to take up this highest point of liquidity and creating a new high. This is my analysis. This is my bias for Bitcoin so far. Okay, even right now for New York session, because it doesn't really start yet, but based on what we're seeing right now, I really feel like this M15 and liquidity zone will be taken out. So just keep an eye out for that, guys. Okay, this is my prediction for Bitcoin. And then right now, let's go into Ethereum. Okay, so this was my actual entry. This was my actual trade. This is an actual thing that we shared in our Discord group. Okay, for those that have entered, congratulations to you. Thank you so much for looking into it, understanding the analysis, and also going through the screenshot that I shared. Really appreciate all of you guys. Thank you so much. So the reason why I entered this trade, nothing different. Basically, I copy paste. Whatever strategy I use, basically copy. You see, little red box, I managed to analyze that it's here. Okay, I saw price take out liquidity in an important zone. Okay, even though we are towards what trend is this, guys? What trend? We are going on a strong downtrend. Oh, but Guna, you told me always follow the trend. Always follow the trend. Correct. Never change that understanding. Okay, but when you reach a certain level in trading, you will understand when the trend starts to change. There is a way how to analyze this. There's a way how to look at this. Always following the trend must always be your priority. Okay, never. Don't get me wrong. Okay, don't get confused. following the trend is always your priority. Okay, especially for new traders. Okay, always follow the trend. Okay, don't go against it. But there are ways when you reach certain level in trading, you'll be able to analyze and understand when trends are changing. You'll be able to analyze and understand when buyers come in, powerful bull people. Yo, I can't say like this. Because then like I'm calling them animals. Bull lah, okay, basically bulls, okay, buyers are coming in. You'll be able to analyze this, and based on reactions, what is getting respected, what is getting disrespected, you will be able to get a higher confirmation on this. So that is what I did. I found my little red box. I see liquidity being taken. I see bulls coming in. Then what I see, I wait for mitigation. Once I see mitigation coming in, I am really clearly looking at what am I looking at? How is price respecting that zone? And if you see this, right, this orange thing that I drew, this is basically my point of entry of where I told the students that are also inside of the Discord group to only wait for price once price reach this zone and how it reacts. Then only go for entry and a stop loss just below this level. Okay, so that's what some of the students did. I'm very happy. Okay, so when price came in, okay, do you see this? Huh? This is what I mean by don't chase price. This is what I mean by market makers know how we how our emotions play out the best of us. Okay, as a trader, right? You see, you already set. This is what I said. Now, this is my entry. If you're wondering why this is my entry, you guys will learn this. Don't worry. Okay. So when price comes here, okay, see, so close to entry now, so close, and then suddenly you see a push up. Last time what I would do, I would enter. I will literally enter here, put my stops just below. Okay, maybe halfway. Let's see. Okay, look at this. My stops just below here. Okay, now I will aim for my TP. Basically, my TP where this was my TP. This was my TP. Okay, pop, kena answer. Why? It's because we are seeing a push towards the upside. What is this called? Chasing price. Never chase price. Price will chase you back. Remember this, huh? Always when you keep set up your key points, your very important areas, basically your POI. Okay, wait. Be a fisherman. You already put the bait. Wait. You are hunting price. Okay, don't let price hunt you. That's what price do every single day. That is what market makers do every single day. They hunt what? Liquidity. Okay, that is what they do every single day, year after year after year. They know what are they doing. Okay, that's why I always follow the trend. Why? Because who makes the trends? Market makers make the trend. So it just makes sense, right, to follow the big players, follow the person that actually can move the market. Why you want to go against him? It's like already increasing your risk already so much already. Yeah, so I wait until price come into my PMI zone and I see. To be honest, if price reacts from here and then just go all the way up, I wouldn't mind. You know what happened? I'll show you go. This is what happened. Look, this is actually what I did today. Okay, you see, if price respect this zone, go long. This is my own analysis that I did, personally one. Okay, I didn't share this one with anybody. Okay, I'm seeing all the things I want to see, little red box. Okay, I know I will trade away from it. You see, it's true. Once you're able to find it, you see, it goes away from it. Look. All of this is live. Okay, I'm showing you guys live. Look at this. Okay, maybe I'll make it bigger, then you guys can see. This is today. If price respects this zone, see, I even set an alarm, which it never trigger lah. Okay, let me off this, so you guys can see clearly. If price respects this zone, go long. Look, price didn't even come to that zone to respect. Price just flew. And where price went to? My TP point. Because I know based on my strategy, price will go here. But what was I predicting? I was predicting because price, I'm not sure lah, if I took a screenshot. Let me see. Let me clarify, guys. This was gold, right? Super cool. Okay, so you see, today at 9:59 a.m. Yeah, yeah, I need to see the front camera if you guys can see it. Basically, here, this was where price was. Okay, so price was at 2718.13. Find it out. 2718. Oh, yeah, actually, there's an easier way to do this. Load. Wait, wait, I find it for you guys. 2718 point. Wait, what? 2718.13, guys. 13. Okay, okay. This was when my analysis was. Basically, this is what I saw. And what I was just expecting, this is what I was expecting. I was expecting price to come up, go all the way down, react in this zone, and then I want to see a bullish towards the upside. Basically to take out the next liquidity zone that I am looking at. Did this happen? Of course not. As you guys can see lah. What happened? Price just went too straight to take out liquidity. It went to take out my TP zone already straight away. Without even coming to show my analysis even a little bit of respect. Yeah, price don't care about me. But did it hurt me? No, not at all. You know why? Because my analysis was correct. I knew price would go up. I knew price will take out this zone. To be honest, even higher than that. So always give yourself credit. If you analyze something, if you believe price will go to a certain point, price will eventually reach this zone. And okay lah, you don't enter the trade lah because maybe you were strict with your own TNCs, your SOPs, which you should be, but price still went to the place that you knew it would go to. Celebrate. That is something you should celebrate. I know lah, I got heard online lah. There are some people that said, "What are you celebrating for? If you never earn, why are you celebrating for?" Just me. Don't take those people's opinions. Don't take those people's advice. Okay, there's always something to be happy about. There's always something to celebrate about. If your analysis alone went correct, but you never enter any single trade for a whole week, guess what? You are already a trader. Because why? You can predict market trends. You can predict how the market moves. If you can do that, who says you can earn money? Who says you cannot trade? Everything is a victory. Even if your analysis you never enter, but it went correct, it's a victory for you. If you think everybody can analyze things and then the market will go exactly how it will move, everybody will earn money in trading. Okay? The saying about 90% only, 90% of traders fail, 10% only actually how is it successful or winners lah. You know why that's true? It's true only because people give up. That's all. And people are not in the correct environment, which is so important to surround yourself in the proper environment that can fuel yourself with all of the knowledges, all of those things that can really mold you to become the trader that you want to be. Which is what we are doing now. Which is why we created the Discord channel, which is why we made it for free. It's because this is something I also wanted to do for so long, but I didn't really have the, how to say, uh, the sources or the connections with proper traders across the world, which now I do have, especially all across Taiwan, which I'm very happy. So which is why now I'm only this year I'm able to really do it lah. So just join in, guys. We will give you that environment. We will put you in that environment to make sure that you will be able to. What I'm saying. Too tired already. Basically, you will be able to put yourself in the trader's environment, trader's mindset, trader's point of view, and all of that you will adapt. Okay, we as humans we adapt. I heard this how to say, uh, I cannot say it's a saying, but it's actually true. Okay, even in for animals also. I'm not saying you're animal. I'm saying even in for animals. Okay, uh, if any of you guys went to Cameron Highlands or any cold place now, if you see any animals there, their hair is longer. Okay, it's not by default. And studies say that people who live in colder countries, their hairs on your hand and all is longer. Why? Hit myself already. Why? You think it's a coincidence? Actually, your body is adapting. Without you knowing, your body is adapting to the colder temperature. So that's why your hair is growing longer to keep you warmer. Without us knowing, our body, right, we as humans are actually very powerful. We really adapt to many things. One. Same thing in trading, guys. Same thing in your work. What are you currently doing right now? Same thing in whatever you're studying right now. None of you know anything of what you're doing right now until you put yourself in that environment and do it. Take action. Your work, if you never go through training, if you never even try to do your work, you won't be good at it. You won't be able to sustain. If your studies, if you're taking up a new topic, a new degree, or PhD, for example. By the way, if any of you guys are studying, congratulations. Keep it up. I wish you all the best. Yeah, but like, all of those things, right? You guys have to put yourself in that environment. Hence, school environment. Hence, college. What else do we have? University environment. Surround yourself with people that do same thing, then you'll be able to adapt because your body will adapt. Guys, just join the group. We will give you the environment to adapt. Okay? We will give you all of these daily mappings. We will give you daily teachings, these daily live sessions, everything for free. Okay? And you guys will be the first to be notified because I will be constantly going through the Discord channel. Okay, I just learned how to enable notifications also. So for those that have sent me messages before and I never reply, I'm so sorry. It's not on purpose. I really don't know how to turn on notifications on Discord. I'm also fairly new to using Discord, but so far I'm enjoying it a lot. Okay, so be careful. I'm enjoying a lot, so I'm sending so many stuff. Okay, so guys, I think we can actually end our live session today. Initially, I was just looking to do this live session roughly an hour, but I believe we went more than an hour already. So again, just to tie it up all together, okay? Bitcoin still towards the buy side, okay? Right now, you guys can see if this mitigation gets disrespected or not. If it gets disrespected means, like I said, New York session is quite stubborn one. It will go against my literary box. So if it starts to move towards the downside, potentially it will take out London though. Okay. Or since we are moving in an uptrend, okay, how uptrend moves, it goes up, comes down, correct? This is what we call a corrective, basically pullback. So right now what are we seeing here? Okay. So if we go down also, not potentially it will go until take out London low, okay, but it also can be considered as a pullback. So just wait to find and see once it reach around the mitigation area how is price reacting. If price is starting to show any signs of a push towards the upside, then this confirm will be taken up. I cannot say confirm, sorry, I keep saying this word, so used to saying this word. This price have a very high percentage that it will be taken up. Okay, so I hope today's session was insightful for you guys. I appreciate every single one of you joining. I appreciate every single one of your time. I hope that all of this sharing today was beneficial for you in any sort of way. I will be seeing you guys tomorrow for the next live session. I will also be updating you guys about this New York session that we're currently in right now. And then if we have any potential trades either towards the buy side or the sell side. Okay? Again, congratulations to those that actually followed the Ethereum, how to say, prediction that I shared in the group earlier. Really, congratulations to those that really made my day today, even though I was tired. I'm so happy when I received the text. Yeah, good job, guys. So happy for you. Then I will see you guys in the next upcoming live. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Take care. Bye bye.